Breaking news, recoveries are continuing to search for 9 people who went missing when a tank containing a highly corrosive industrial chemical ruptured on Tuesday at a paper mill in Washington state. Officials say that 2 people are now known to have died in the accident at the Nippon Dynawave packaging facility. 7 others have been injured. The accident scene still remains active and it's extremely hazardous in the recovery environment. Matt Amos, battalion chief of the Longview Fire Department, said at a news conference on Wednesday.